Need to link your bank account to Payoneer to withdraw your funds? Connecting your bank is crucial for accessing the money you've earned. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily add your bank account to Payoneer. To add a bank account, first, log in to your Payoneer account. Navigate to the Bank Accounts and Cards section, which you can usually find under the Settings or Withdraw menu. Look for an option to Add Bank Account. You'll then be prompted to provide your bank details. This typically includes your bank's country, currency, bank name, account holder name, account type, checking or savings, routing number, or sort code for international banks, and your bank account number. Finally, submit the bank account details. Payoneer will usually require a verification process for security, which might involve micro deposits or uploading a bank statement. Once verified, you'll be able to withdraw funds to this linked bank account. And there you have it. Adding a bank account to Payoneer is essential for withdrawals. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.